Hey there, I just want to go over the Module 1 Lesson 5 notes, do a couple of examples with you just to make sure we understand how to identify and write a hypothesis. So remember, a hypothesis is a possible explanation for your observation. It can be based on prior knowledge, so if we already know something about animals or about photosynthesis or about whatever it is you've observed, we can use that to make our hypothesis. When we write a hypothesis, we need to keep a couple things in mind. First of all, our variables, our independent variable and our dependent variable. Okay, so let's take a look at this first example right here. So write a hypothesis for the following in an if, then, because format. So our independent variable is the length of a paper helicopter blades, and the dependent variable is the speed at which the blades rotate. So I could say if a paper airplane has the length of the paper helicopter. All right, so if a paper airplane has blades longer than 5 centimeters, then the blades will rotate faster than if the blades were shorter than 5 centimeters. There we go. So I've included my independent and my dependent variable. I didn't necessarily include the because part right here because I really don't know a whole lot about paper helicopter blades. So I don't have a lot of prior knowledge to go off of. So I'm just going to leave it as an if then. But let's take a look at one on the second page here. So this one we have to actually identify the variables ourselves, then write a hypothesis. So problem. Will adding more laundry detergent than what is recommended work better? So the thing that I am manipulating here is the amount of laundry detergent. And then what is responding is going to be the cleanliness of my clothes. And I knew I spelled cleanliness wrong because that makes sense. Cleanliness of my clothes. Because it's saying it's recommended to work better. So the amount of laundry detergent, how clean are my clothes going to get? So my hypothesis, if I use 1 cap full of laundry detergent, then my clothes will be cleaner than if I used less than 1 capful because more laundry detergent, the better. So for this example, I did use my independent and my dependent variables, and I said because the more laundry detergent I use, the better my clothes will be. So there's 2 examples of how to write a hypothesis, both identifying the variables, but also being given the variables and then just writing the hypothesis on your own. If you still have any questions or concerns about hypothesis or variables, please make sure to let me know. Until then, I'll see you later.